Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Ps4 is on the latest system software and your router is reachable. Once done, restart both devices, power off the Ps4 and unplug the router for 30 seconds so cache is clear. Now grab the router IP and any preferred DNS addresses you'll use. Google 8 or Cloudflare 1 are reliable options. You'll now navigate to settings on your Ps4. From there, go to network, so you can change the connection method, and you will now modify connection details. Choose settings right arrow network right arrow set up internet connection and pick Wi-Fi or LAN. Select custom. Keep your IP automatic unless your router needs static addressing. If you set manual, enter the correct IP subnet mask gateway. For DNS, enter primary 8 and secondary 8, 4 or 1 and 1, 0, 1. Once you save those values, run test internet connection to verify DNS resolution and finish strong by rebooting your Ps4 after a successful connection test. Make sure you can sign into PlayStation Network and load online features. If problems persist, switch to a different public DNS set or disable DNS relay on the router. This forces the console to use the DNS you entered. If you need to isolate the issue, connect your Ps4 to a mobile hotspot. If it works there, the ISP or router settings are the culprit. That single hotspot test often pinpoints whether to contact your provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.